Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be making this yummy okra for my baby. If your baby is 6 months plus, you can try this okra for him or her because it is very tasty, and you will use just like 6 ingredients and it comes out very nice. Without further ado, let's dive right in. These are my ingredients. I'll be making use of onions, fresh pepper, locust beans. That's my okra over there. Then I'm using assorted meat and palm oil. I'm supposed to add crayfish, but I'm out of crayfish, and you know, in Nigeria these days there is no cash. I wanted to buy crayfish, and the malam said they collect transfer and I don't have cash to pay for the crayfish, so I come back home to use what I have. At least once I put the assorted meat, there is protein in this okra, so let me just use my assorted meat. I always prepare okra for my baby because of the health benefits, because okra offers a lot of vitamin K for healthy blood, along with the decent amount of folic acid for cell growth. It has vitamin B6 for metabolism. It also contains vitamin C for immunity and contains soluble fiber. So I always make sure my baby takes okra soup at least 2 or 3 times in a week. So I'm using 4 fresh pepper and that quantity of locust beans. I always like the flavor it gives my okra, and it has a lot of health benefit as well. So I'm using that quantity of onions as well for this recipe. This is my assorted meat. In there I have shaki, I have liver, and is it roundabout? I don't know the name of that part. Those are assorted meat. I like using combination of different parts of meat to make the okra. Then this is my palm oil. I won't finish this palm oil because it's much, but I'll be using little palm oil in this recipe. Now I'm transferring my meat into the blender. I'm blending it with the onion, locust beans and fresh pepper. I'm going to blend it till smooth. You know, it's for baby and it needs to be smooth. If it has lump, my baby might not take it. So I'm blending it till it's smooth. So I'm done blending, and here is how it's looking now. That's my mixture. So let's start cooking. So I'm going to pour the mixture inside my pan. So I'm adding seasoning cube and salt. I had just half of seasoning cube because I don't really want it to be too sweet since it's for baby. Then I added a little bit of salt and I'm adding my palm oil. It's been cooking now for the past 15 minutes thereabouts because I want the palm oil to be well cooked before adding my okra. So I added a little bit of water. I discovered it was quite thick, so I added a little bit of water to loosen it. So I'm adding more water. I don't like it to be too thick. Yeah, I want to quickly make the swallow before my okra gets done. I'm preparing this swallow. It's called pupuru in Yoruba. It's Ondo State food. Anybody from Ondo State can relate. This is what my baby likes to eat with the okra. At times it takes with amala, but today I want to make pupuru for him. Yeah, this is looking good now. It's done now, so it's time to add my okra. is my baby's food, and my baby cleared the plates. Yeah, really enjoyed this food. Thanks so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a huge thumbs up, please. I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, stay blessed. Bye.